Hi guys, Miss Wellborn here. A couple weeks ago, we talked about the fact that two numbers can be added together to equal 10. Today, we're going to talk about how to subtract a number from 10. First of all, I've got 10 small squares on my paper, and I'm going to put a penny in each square. You can count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we're going to use our pennies to act out stories. So first of all, Mary had 10 pennies. She spent 1 penny. How am I going to show that she spent 1 penny? I'm putting 1 penny back in my penny cup. This kind of story is called a some went away kind of story. So how many pennies does she have left? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. She has 9 pennies left. I'm going to show you what this would look like in a number sentence. Mary had 10 pennies. 1 penny went away. She now has 9 pennies left. All right, put the penny back on your paper and we're going to try it again. So we're back to having 10 pennies on our paper and we're going to act out another story. Steve had 10 pennies. He spent 2 pennies. I'm going to show this by putting 2 pennies back in my penny cup. 1, 2. How many pennies does he have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He now has 8 pennies left. I'm going to show you this sentence on the board. Steve had 10 pennies. 2 went away. He now has 8 pennies left. All right. We can also do our subtraction problems in a different way. We can use the actual pennies and the board, or we can do it on a board a different way. So, for example, if I had 10 pennies, and I take away 0 pennies, I now have how many pennies left? Still 10. If I have 10 pennies and I take 1 penny away, I now have how many pennies left? I would have 9. And it's okay right now to use your fingers if you need to do this. It's fine to say 10, take away 1, how many do I have left? But we're going to keep practicing our facts till we can just quickly come out with them every time we see a problem. But for now, we're just practicing. So one of the things you need to know is that there is a trick that mathematicians use to make sure that their subtraction answer is right. So I'm going to show you one more problem on the board, and then we're going to talk about this trick. So I have 10 pennies, 2 go away, I have 8 left, all right? The trick that mathematicians use is they add up. So if I have 9 plus 1, it should equal 10. Yep, I did my math right. If I have 8 pennies and I add 2 pennies back in, I should have 10 left. Yes, I did my math right. So this is a great way to check your subtraction answers by remembering to add up to make sure you're back at 10 again.